back. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog. I did get a little bit more feedback than I normally do in my videos, and I also got some more views within the same day that I actually uploaded it. So thank you guys so much for showing that video some love, and also for those of you that have showed me love on my Instagram. Since I do post there basically live on my trips. So today we are actually going to Mexico. We are celebrating my husband's 29th birthday, and we are also celebrating our 12-year anniversary that is at the end of this month. So it's kind of like a friendcation-ish. My best friend actually flies out tonight at midnight, and my in-laws fly out on Wednesday to join us out there. I am so excited. I feel like I really need this kind of vacation, which is basically being on the beach. I have not seen any sun this summer whatsoever. So I am so excited. I am so freaking anxious though at the same time. I have really bad anxiety, and the entire process from the moment I get to the airport till I'm actually sitting down, I hate people touching my stuff. I hate it so much, and I know some of you guys are like, well, I mean, they have to, it's their job. Oh, I totally understand that don't mean that I don't get super anxious when people are touching my stuff. Like, it bothers me, like, you're touching all that with your dirty little fingers, and now I gotta go clean it. Right, you know, as soon as we get to Mexico and, you know, they check all our stuff again, then I'll be good to go. I just absolutely hate that whole process. I know a lot of people in person actually ask me, how do you even fly? I'm like, the flying part, actually, I'm fine. I'm usually, once I'm actually in the plane sitting down, I'm good. But everything prior to that and everything after that for international, I absolutely despise. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, and husband's gonna call the Uber soon, and we're gonna start heading out to our Mexico trip. I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is probably the longest intro of life, but I really hope you guys enjoy. One's for the suitcase. Legit a walk-in closet, which I thought was like so cute and kind of creepy at the same time. And you can actually open that, so I can, you know, get on fleek. This is the shower, and right next to it, so, you know, because that's very entertaining and fun to see. Let's quickly show you guys what's outside. My husband's outside because I don't see him. Oh my god, I cannot open this door. There we go. So actually the main pool is actually right over there. Fortunately, that wall blocks it, but that's okay. And this is the outside. Our views look like it's so freaking pretty. Our room is like literally right there. So good. What's it called again?
Sweet and sour amaretto.
Sweet and sour amaretto. Ay, cutie.
De vuelta al agua he venido, estuve lo intentaré. Una y otra vez cada ruta ya es que siento que me regresaré al lugar. fall. It would have been fun if I fell because I was filming or had evidence of it.
Where's your EDC shirt? You look so cute. And it rained on us. Of course it did. My little bathing suit from Forever 20, no, what? Victoria's Secret. It's still pretty even when it rains here. That's kind of crazy, right? You know, just having some tequila shots because, you know, that's what you do in Mexico. It's at like 7.
A su clase principal, esta es la primera llamada para dar inicio con nuestro espectáculo de Chicago.
It's been pretty lit. Too lit.
Yeah, once you walk going through this doorway, you can see friends now. Sí, pasar, ya lo que sería el portal por la muralla, esto ya es el interior de la ciudad.
Hey guys, so our trip is pretty much over tomorrow. We fly out back home to Chicago. It was so much fun. I'm sorry I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to, but to be honest, it was more of like living the moment, and we did so much every single day, and we drank a lot of tequila, so it was nasty. But you know, we're on vacation, it's time to have fun. So with that being said, I wasn't able to film that much that I'll be okay with sharing online. Regardless, it was a blast, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog of Mexico, and I hope you guys stay tuned. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you want to see more vlogs from more. Ciao.